The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. This grille comes from the Carmarthen workhouse. This object has been chosen to represent the theme stone and song. Following the introduction of the Poor Law in 1834, workhouses were built to house those in need. The living conditions within these workhouses were less than desirable, and the men, women and children were put to work in separate cells. As a result, the workhouse became a symbol of that which everybody feared. Inmates at the workhouse were often given work deemed almost pointless. Tasks included picking oakum for rope making, thus sparking the phrase "money for old rope." Another activity was breaking stones until they were small enough to fit through the holes in this grille. Each person assigned this task was given a daily quota of 1.5 tons of stones. These stones were used for road repair. The job was so hated by people that many rebelled against it, and according to an article from the Carmarthen Journal at the time, the germs of incipient rebellion and treason on a small scale would appear to lurk in the workhouse of the Carmarthen Union. Since the Christmas holidays, there has been nothing but risings and mutinies against the stone breaking. Within the last week, about 6 paupers were committed to prison for refusing to break them. In June 1843, Rebecca and her followers met outside the Plough and Harrow pub near Carmarthen, ready to march to the town centre to protest against the toll gates and workhouses. A group of protesters, part of the Carmarthen mob, entered the workhouse, attacked the matron and the master, broke the locks and set the place on fire. It is therefore highly likely that this grille comes, in fact, from the second rebuilt workhouse.